The Redmi Note 17 Pro 5G is finally here. In this unboxing and hands-on video, we take a first look at Xiaomi's latest mid-range smartphone, explore everything inside the box, and test its design, display, camera, performance, and software. Is it the best value 5G phone of 2026? Watch until the end to see our first impressions, key features, and whether the Redmi Note 17 Pro 5G is worth the hype. After spending some time with the Redmi Note 17 Pro 5G, my first impression is very positive. The design feels premium, the display looks bright and smooth, and the overall performance seems fast for everyday use. The camera also shows promising results in good lighting. If Xiaomi keeps the pricing competitive, I think this could easily become one of the best mid-range smartphones for most users this year.